Hello, I'm John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at a new 2020 Boston Whaler 160 Super Sport. The 160 is a relatively new boat from Whaler and it has a lot of great features. Starting here on the transom, you see this boat is equipped with the Mercury 90. You also have the teak option, which really sets it off nicely on each side. Over on the port side you have the swim ladder, big open cockpit space, great room for beach chairs, coolers. This is the perfect go to the island boat. As we move up towards the helm, you see this boat has the upgraded 19-gallon fuel tank. At the helm, another new feature on this boat is you have a storage locker, which can be used as a small cooler or for storage. You also have a cooler beside the helm, which can be used as a seat. It can also be removed if you want to take it out of the boat. As you see, this boat is equipped with the Whaler factory bimini top. Get you out of the sun on those hot July and August days. As we move forward in the bow, you have an anchor locker. Everything on a Whaler will be finished on the inside. Fit and finish is second to none. You can also add a bow cushion here. You can add cushions here. You can add a variety of seats at the helm. Well, again, my name is John Wright at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. We'd be glad to show you this boat or any in inventory. Give us a call, 910-256-8100. Check us out on Facebook, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach.